This diagram explains how a mechanical brake system works, particularly for drum brakes. Here's a breakdown of its operation. Components and their functions. 1. Brake pedal. The driver presses the brake pedal, applying mechanical force. 2. Small piston and brake fluid. The brake pedal action pushes a small piston in the master cylinder, pressurizing the brake fluid. 3. Large piston, wheel cylinder. The hydraulic pressure from the brake fluid is transferred to the wheel cylinder. This forces the pistons inside the cylinder outward. 4. Drum brake assembly. Primary and secondary shoes. These are the friction components that press against the brake drum. When the wheel cylinder pistons extend, they push the brake shoes outward. Backing plate. A rigid plate that supports the components of the drum brake system. Return springs. These pull the brake shoes back to their original position after the brake pedal is released. Parking brake components includes a parking brake cable, lever, and strut, which manually operate the brake shoes when the parking brake is engaged. 5. S-cam, optional for heavy vehicles. In some systems, especially in trucks, the S-cam rotates when the brake chamber is pressurized, pushing the brake shoes outward. Working mechanism. 1. Braking. When the brake pedal is pressed, hydraulic fluid transmits force to the wheel cylinder. The wheel cylinder's pistons push the brake shoes outward against the drum, creating friction. This friction slows down the rotation of the wheel, bringing the vehicle to a stop. 2. Releasing. When the brake pedal is released, the hydraulic pressure decreases. The return springs pull the brake shoes back to their resting position, disengaging them from the drum. 3. Parking brake. The parking brake lever pulls the cable, manually engaging the brake shoes to hold the vehicle stationary. This design is commonly used in vehicles, especially for the rear wheels, due to its durability and effective braking force.